So you can see I've just applied compost to my vegetable patch and it's well rotted, look. Well rotted, and all that was last summer's grass cuttings. So I start cutting in April, May, put the stuff into the compost bins, and it's the fastest compost bin ever invented. But the secret is to apply buckets of water all summer. So you do not want a solid lump. There are my compost bins, those black tubes over there. And you've got to put in gallons of water every summer, well, every week. You've got to put water in, otherwise you'll end up with a solid lump which you can't do anything with. See, I've got lots of videos about how to construct these. Whew. See, I've just emptied that.